Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another video. I hope you guys are doing great, and by the title you know it's a Zara haul. Drum rolls please. I am so excited for the Zara haul. Guys, मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें शॉपिंग करी हैं, so there's a lot of like stuff inside it. You know, Zara की sale is on and everybody is like crazy for Zara. And I have like two big boxes with me. So एक बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा box है, एक थोड़ा छोटा box है. But then there are a lot of stuff inside it. पहले I was thinking I should wait for sale and I was thinking चलो order कर लेते हैं. But then finally July में sale start होने वाली है, so let's patiently wait for it. And the moment I got to know that sale is on, so I already added a lot of stuff in my cart, and you will see a lot of things in this video, guys. There's not just tops, there are like dresses, blazers, and काफी कुछ है. I have ordered everything from different categories so that I can have a mix of all. So I'm super excited to like open it and show you all that what all we have inside it. So without wasting this time, let's step straight into the video. So I'm starting with the small box. Guys, मैंने अभी तक कुछ नहीं देखा है जो मैंने order करा है. And I'm gonna unbox it right in front of you. I'm doing this first time on my channel. Forgot मैंने इतने multiple colors order करे थे. Like there's so much the different colors I can see in the box. सबसे पहले black से start करते हैं. So this is the first top that I ordered. It's like a corset top, like a bustier top from here. So it has a very nice cut at the back. मुझे ऐसा कुछ चाहिए था जिसकी back ऐसी हो. Looks very sexy. So this is what I have. And I like it actually. इसका neck it's so pretty. मुझे anyway ऐसे tops बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं जिनकी neckline इतनी wide होती है. So it just shows all your skin from here. It looks awesome. बस ना black color बहुत है guys. If I look at my wardrobe ना, half of the things are in black color. And even then मुझे हमेशा black order करना होता है. So I ordered this top guys in the size small. Usually मुझे Zara का small and medium fit होता है. But then in some cases जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि it's too oversized या कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा है, then in that cases I go with extra small. But usually I order small and medium. आपको मैं सबका पहले original price बता देती हूँ and then I'll tell you the sale price कि मुझे sale में कितने का मिला. Mostly मुझे सारी चीज़ें ही sale में मिली हैं. There's just one or two things जो मुझे sale में नहीं मिली, which is a good part guys. So this is for rupees 1890 and I got it in the sale at rupees 1290. Not bad, right? Black है, so काफी चीजों के साथ जाएगा. So I'm really excited to wear this with a lot of things. So next up we have again a top that is this. This is again a corset top. Such a nice bubble pink color. I hope you guys can see it. I think ये वाला top काफी trend में है guys because I've seen a lot of people wearing this top, but I personally am loving it. Very nice color. It has a drape fabric guys. You can see a lot of like layers going on, and it has a very stiff material, so it's gonna grip your body very nicely. So ये काफी अच्छा लगने वाला है. I'm gonna pair this with white trousers. It's gonna look bomb. I'm liking it. मुझे ऐसे cute tops ना बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. Like wherever I go, I end up buying these kind of tops. Again, I got this in the size small guys, and this is priced for 2590. And मुझे discount में ये 1290 का मिला है. Very nice. I'm happy with this top. Next up we have is a very interesting color. Look at the color of the dress. I'm just loving this color यार. It's so different. So मुझे इतनी happy vibes आ रही हैं इस color को देख के. Basically this is a dress guys. This is like a midi dress and I am currently obsessing over midi dresses, maxi dresses. Material is very nice. It's very royal kind of material. It has a deep V neck and it has an elastic here. People who are not comfortable with such V necks, long V necks, you can wear a t-shirt or a crop top inside. And then you can style this dress. It's gonna again look so pretty. Even the length looks perfect to me. So I got this in the size extra small and मुझे लगा था ये elasticated है, so extra small मेरे को easily fit हो जाएगा. But then I think मुझे small भी आ जाता. And this is originally priced at 2990 and I got it at 1990 rupees, which is such nice discount guys. पूरा 1000 rupees का off मिल गया. सबसे पहले box खोला था तो I could see this color. I was like wow, this color is so great. सबसे पहले यही दिखाना था guys, but then I thought black दिखा देते हैं. It's raining outside guys. Wow. दिल्ली में बारिश. Next up again is a corset top. Like मैंने corset top कितने सारे order करे हैं in the same style, but again this is very pretty. I like this net thing. It's very lacy material. मुझे ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा classy लगती हैं because I think इसको आप किसी भी चीज़ का स्टाइल कर सकते हो. I'm gonna keep this for sure. It has a very sweetheart neckline. So I got this in the size medium guys. इसका medium भी मुझे small ही लग रहा है क्योंकि बहुत छोटा सा है. I think मैं अगर इसका large भी मंगाती मुझे तो भी आ जाता because it has adjustable straps, so it can be easily adjusted. So originally this is priced at 1790 and I got this for 990 rupees. So next up that we have is this shirt, again pink. अब मैं realize कर रही हूँ कि मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें pink में order करी हैं. Like मैं आपको 2 tops already दिखा चुके हैं. This is the third one. Let's see मैंने और क्या pink order करा है. This is a shirt. It's like a pop line shirt. Again a very nice color guys. This is like hot pink color and usually ये वाला color मेरी skin tone पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. That's why I like purchasing these colors. I remember guys when I went to Zara last time, I saw these kind of shirts in different colors as well. Like I saw it in green and like purple, blue. But this time I only found like this color. I feel this is super huge guys. I know oversize is a thing but this is very big, though I ordered this in the size extra small. But I'm gonna try, like I'm gonna wear maybe this bralette and then on top of this I can wear this. This is for 1990 and I got no discount guys. I bought this at full price, so full price के हिसाब से अब मुझे worth नहीं लग रही है इसकी, because rest of the things I've got almost everything on sale. This is the last item is box की guys, so let me just show you. Again a corset top, nothing new. मैंने इतनी सारे corsets मंगवा लिए हैं, but then मुझे पता है guys, even if I have ordered like so many corsets, I'll use all of them. This is very pretty. I am liking it because it has a very stiff and thick material. Again guys, it has a very deep neck, so I'm sure थोड़ा सा cleavage दिखेगा, but it's gonna look very sexy. These kind of tops looks very graceful on your body and that's why I end up getting tops like these. And it has a very textured print, so ये website पर it was available in red color, pink color, but this color I found more attractive. It's again very casual, very dressy. It can be paired like in both ways. या आप इसको party में भी पहन सकते हो, इसको casually भी carry कर सकते हो. I ordered in the size medium. This is for rupees 1890 originally and I got it for 1290. So guys, I have changed the position of my camera because बहुत ही खराब lighting हो रही थी. It's continuously raining, so I had to like change. So now I'm gonna unbox the second box. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है उसमें ज़्यादा चीज़ें थी and this has less material because I think इसमें footwears हैं, so definitely उस वजह से थोड़ा सा heavy हो गया था ये box. But then all the tops and shirts and everything are here. This is the first thing that I have. This is like a white blazer that I ordered. So मुझे इतने टाइम से एक right perfect blazer चाहिए था. I have blazers from H&M and Urbanic, but मुझे Zara का blazer try करना था because I have heard a lot about its quality. So इसकी quality definitely there's a lot of difference. Overall feel of the blazer is very nice, very soft. So obviously quality wise it's 10 on 10. Blazers usually run long in length, so I think this much length is perfect to me. I got this blazer guys in a size extra small because मुझे पता था मुझे extra small आ जाएगा आराम से. And I got this for rupees 4490. So इस पे मुझे कोई off नहीं मिला है guys. I know थोड़ा सा pricey है, but then I feel that a perfect white blazer everyone should have because you can style it casually, professionally, so it can work either ways. Usually H&M's Urbanic ke blazers are around 3000 or 2000, so I'm happy with this. And to pair this blazer up guys, I have ordered this white trouser. So this is also in the similar fabric, like बिल्कुल same texture है दोनों का. I like this trouser as well. बहुत ही chic vibe दे रहा है मुझे. It is elasticated trousers and they're so great. These are again थोड़ा सा लंबा है ये trouser length में. Anyway मुझे heels के साथ carry करना है, so I don't mind. But then I'm loving these two. Yeah, this is such a nice combination. मुझे इतने टाइम से पूरा white pant suit चाहिए था and this is the perfect one guys. I'm so happy with this purchase. And इस पे मुझे discount मिला है, so let me tell you. This I got in the size small. And I got this for rupees 2990 and its original price is 3990. I can't wait to wear this white pantsuit entirely. My favorite. Problem with white clothes are कि कोई lipstick stain ना लगे, कुछ ना लगे, and you have to be very careful with it because एक बार लग जाता है then it's very difficult to like उसको हटाना because it's a task. And the last two things that I have in this box are these two bags. So let me show you the bag first. Ooh, this is nice. This is so cute. I love it. Again pink guys. So I think it's such a cute bag. I'm for sure like gonna style this with the white pantsuit. I think when you carry this and then on top of it you hold a bag like this, it's just gonna give like a pop of color to your outfit. And that is why I've ordered in this color because मेरे पास इस color का कोई भी bag नहीं था. Let me just open it. Oh, it has a long belt as well, so you can style it like a sling back as well. But anyway, I like to keep it like this only. So the price of this is 2590 and इस पे मुझे कोई off नहीं मिला है guys. The last top that we have are these pair of heels. So I know transparent heels are already in trend, but then मुझे अभी तक एक जो ये होता है ना, like you get the perfect transparent heel, वो मुझे आज तक नहीं मिली guys. And I think I am liking these. These are very sturdy firstly, because इसकी जो heels है they are very nice quality, and Zara की quality in terms of heels is anyway so great. I got this for rupees 2990, 3000 rupees, and कोई discount नहीं मिला इस पे भी guys. This is also in fresh. But I'm really liking it. जो box में जितने भी कपड़े थे, so it's gonna turn out like one whole outfit. So I'm gonna style like white blazer and white pants, then carry this pink bag, and then with that I'm gonna pair these heels. So I think it's a perfect outfit that I can wear next wherever I'm going out. So that was it about today's haul video guys. So this is it about my collection that I ordered from Zara on the sale. So you know Zara की sales जब भी start होती है, within 1 or 2 days half of the things are out of stock. Not sure if you'll get all the products available right now, but I'm gonna link it all in case you find that if something is available you can definitely check out guys. And this was it about my Zara haul. I'm really happy with my purchase and I can't wait to style all the outfits. This was it about today's video guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.